Let's go.
Good morning everybody and welcome back to another vlog. I'm gonna try to make this one as quick as possible because for one I'm driving manual. Everything's painted, the wheels are painted, the wheels are done. Right now I'm going to my shop, not to my shop but where I work. My manager and everybody is just super cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the wheels, and hopefully if we got time and if they let me, I'm also gonna order the new headers that I just got. So hopefully everything works out. Like I said, I'm driving manual. I'm gonna have to cut this short and I will see you guys there. Okay guys, so welcome back to the vlog. Right now I really can't show the uniform that I'm wearing because I'm at work. I can't show my uniform because I just don't want to get this company in trouble. I fucking love working here. The people here are amazing. I just want to make sure that they're safe and that I'm safe. So right now I'm doing the headers on the 99 Accord on the project. So right now we're gonna go ahead and remove the connectors from the catalytic converter from the downpipe. So that's what we're doing right now. I already went ahead and removed the top bolts. I will show you guys how to remove those as well. I believe there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts, and they're very easy. It's a 99 Accord, it's really not that hard. So this is the new one that's gonna go in. And if I am correct, what the description says, that it will go from a stock 2-inch pipe to a 4. I know it says 4, but it's probably like a 3, 3.5 maybe. But that's still a big difference, which will make a lot of more noise and more power and more airflow, which definitely after this I will have to get an intake for it to not lean out, because since a lot of air is going to be going out more, I need more air to come in. So that's why I'm just going to go ahead and do this as fast as I can. Like I said, I already went ahead and got these ones off pretty much. There's only 3 of them. So the downpipe that came with the headers has a slot for an O2 sensor, but this one doesn't have the one on the downpipe. It only has one on the header, the stock header on top. So there's only one, luckily. So we will go ahead and see. Yeah, see, there's only one, and that's it. There isn't 2. There's just the one. So that should be fine. That extra slot is just in case, I guess. And I think those extra slots might be for the V6s. So yeah. Which makes, again, no sense, but I think it's just the same downpipe. Let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to go ahead and remove this, and then we will continue from there. Let's go. Okay, so coming back to the video, so of course, you would think that only these are enough, but no. And then you have these harnesses that's holding that, and then so these are being held by this. So in order for you to pretty much just grab all of this down, you have to remove these, you have to remove this. Well, this wouldn't come out easily, so I'm just going to take this off the floor. And then after you remove that, you're going to have to remove these 2 bolts right here, and then it'll come down. So of course, I don't know if you could see it. My wrench is already on it, of course. And then, you should be set, and then this should finally come off. And then that's how you take it off from this side. Okay, so I got the bottom off, but in order to take the bottom, after you take off these harnesses, right, you have to take it off from the top as well, from right here. And for that it's literally right under the header. So it's literally right under this, and it's right there. So it's just gonna be 1, 2, and 3. So that's pretty much the only way you'll be able to take it out. And so it looks like I might be able to take it off from right here, but you also have to take it off from these 2 harnesses as well. These are just from the factory. These just make sure, it's just factory, it's safety, this is just how it is. But the new ones don't really come with it, which is fine, and it'll hold perfectly fine. It'll hold. There's no doubt about that, it'll hold. But these are just safety precautions from the dealership, from the factory, but that's no problem. And then we'll just go ahead and remove that one right here. I don't know if you can see, it's this one right here. There's 2 of them, it's holding the rep, but we just need to take this one off. This is just from the header itself. And then after we take it off, we'll go ahead and switch the O2 sensors onto that one, and then we should be able to, put that one on. So I went ahead and took it off. That was really easy, no problem. And so this is how it comes out. Oh, wow. That was hot. I'm wearing safety gloves, unlike last time. Wearing safety gloves, safety shoes too, glasses and everything. So not only is this going to help with performance, but it's also going to help with weight reduction. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this one on. Oh, before we forget, I'm gonna go ahead and put this new gasket on, which by the way, looks super clean. Go ahead and take this one off, and this is the old one. Which, actually I'm gonna go ahead and clean around that area real quick. Go ahead and clean around it. You know, we want to make sure it's all cleaned. I like to make sure that it's cleaned before I put a new one back on. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up real quick. You know, got some dirt, got some of this disgusting shit, which is kind of funny because I'm actually supposed to replace this gasket, this head gasket, before I even do this, but I guess headers are more important. But yeah, this should, I know it's kind of dirty, but it should be fine. As long as we don't have any leaks, we should be good. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in this new gasket, which I am certain is like this. There you go. It's kind of like, yeah, it's kind of like baggy, but it's this. What up, Andy? Put on some new headers. I know that I had spoke too soon when I said that this was going easy. As you guys can see, that one broke off. Nice. Did you already get this one?
I need a 12 wrench to get that.
Oh, okay.
I just don't want to use this because it's like that.
Gotcha. That's Dawson's, by the way.
I figured.
I can't afford that shit. Still going? Cool. It's good. So I also got the catalytic converter, not the catalytic converter, the downpipe off, and I already installed this one. I already showed you guys how to put the other one on, or how to take it off from the previous video. Or if I didn't, I'll just go ahead and put it here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and install it. And look how easy it is. Oh my God, look, right there. Oof. That oof moment. Unlike the other one that we got, the garbage one that didn't fit, it kept on hitting this and everything. So hopefully it doesn't hit anything. Let's go ahead and connect this bitch and we're good. All right guys, so it is on. I honestly thought that this wasn't gonna go on properly, but it did. It's tight. Made sure that that extra O2 sensor that I actually don't have is tight, so it doesn't leak. Tight, you know, it's tight. I'm gonna go ahead and double check up there to make sure the O2 sensors and everything like that is connected. But dude, I am surprised of how solid this thing is, and it won't even budge. Like I'm literally full force. That one, even with all those like adapters, you see these like extra holsters and those holder and that adapter, even with all that, it still was wiggling. This, nope, not even an inch. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let it down, and this should be it.